Hello everyone. We're back after 2 years. Finally, the wait is over. The Orange Festival 2025 will be happening from 17th of December to 19th of December.
And yes, the most awaited Orange Queen 2025 is back with the theme The Sweetest Crown. So don't miss the grand finale on 19th of December at Tamenglong.
The Tamenglong district audition will be scheduled on the 17th of November at the conference room of Mini Secretariat. Furthermore, the Imphal audition will take place on the 22nd of November at Hotel Imphal by Classic Shanghai Hall from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. So stay tuned for more updates.
Forms are available at DC Office Tamenglong and at Melt Ice Cream Parlor in Chingweirong, next to Yamaha Showroom in Imphal.
Come and be part of the Sweetest Crown Orange Queen 2025. For more information, please contact the number provided below.